I'm sure that is that's what Salesforce wants to do. But I'd
Yeah,
just
bigger,
like
better.
to take a step back to what I just said, which is I still see a clear audience difference, right? There are people who are heavily invested in the Salesforce system. They'd want to use MI. There are people not there yet, and you know they'd still have very custom use cases to build off of. So, I mean, I'd like to think they'd keep they'd keep MCI alive.
I think you're right about
Um,
that.
yeah, but if not, then yeah, it is a rebrand. I mean, the uninteresting answer would be yeah, it's a rebrand.
Yeah. Yeah, certainly those things could be, both true. I guess at the end of the day, we have to wait and see exactly where Salesforce takes the platform. But if you just look at the overall resources and the community writ large, as well as let's also be honest, if you're a stakeholder, right? Here
Mm.
is the platinum shiny object that potentially ushers in a brand new renaissance of data activation and data manipulation. And from that aspect, I think that Salesforce is onto something really interesting. I think the cautionary tale for me, if you are a legacy Datorama user, is that you still have a footprint in this world. And I think a lot of what you communicate today sort of suggests that. With that said, in terms of the community of legacy Datorama, now MCI users, what advice or counsel would you give to them, particularly those who haven't, sort of been involved in the demo and maybe haven't spent a lot of time thinking about Data Cloud?
Mhm.